Hi guys, welcome back to Grammar's World. Today we are going to talk about essay outlines whether you are in high school or college. Outlining your essays is a crucial step in the writing process. Without a solid outline, your essay can end up feeling disorganized and unclear. So let's dive into the key components of an effective essay outline. There are some key components you might want to cover in your discussion. First of all, introduction, next, body paragraph, and then we will discuss conclusion. Introduction. Who does not possess a cell phone nowadays? In fact, almost everybody has some sort of machine at hand, be it computers, cars, or even washing machines. But although machinery was devised to benefit mankind, it has also brought along the destruction to our environment. Hook. Engage your readers with a compelling opening sentence or question. Background information. Provide context for your topic. Thesis statement. Clearly state the main point or argument of your essay. Parts of introduction. Hook, attention grabber, interesting sentence about the topic. Background, it explains the topic sentence with facts, examples, or reasons. Thesis statement, main idea about the topic. The first part of the essay is introduction. For example, did you know that every year millions of plastic bottles end up in our oceans, wreaking havoc on marine life and ecosystems? Imagine a world where we could change this trajectory starting with a simple but powerful choice. What is a topic sentence? It is a sentence that introduces a paragraph by presenting the one topic that will be the focus of that paragraph. The purpose of a topic sentence is the perspective that you are giving to the topic of the essay. It should answer how and why the topic is significant. The second part of the essay is background information. After the hook, provide some background information to contextualize your topic. This helps readers understand the broader context and significance of what you are discussing. Briefly touch on key concepts or historical events related to your essay subject. Its sole purpose is to help the reader understand what you, the writer, will be discussing in your essay and create a flow between the hook and the thesis statement. They could be opinions, definitions, historical or general facts, trends, or changes. For example, in recent decades, the environmental impact of plastic waste has become a pressing global concern. With increasing awareness about the consequences of our plastic consumption, individuals and communities are seeking ways to address this issue and promote sustainable alternatives. The third step is thesis statement. Clearly articulate the main point or argument of your essay in a concise thesis statement. This statement serves as a roadmap for your readers, outlining the central idea that your essay will explore or defend. For example, in this essay, we will explore the detrimental effects of plastic pollution on our environment and delve into practical and achievable steps individuals can take to reduce their plastic footprint. By understanding the gravity of the issue and adopting sustainable practices, we can contribute to a cleaner and healthier planet for future generations. The thesis statement is your main idea about the topic, ending 1, 2, 3 reasons. Second, it is made up of the topic, controlling idea, and subtopics. And third, it will answer the questions of the prompt given in just one sentence. Please avoid I believe, in my opinion, I think, etc. By incorporating a compelling hook, providing background information, and presenting a clear thesis statement, your essay's introduction sets the stage for a well structured and engaging discussion. What is the best country in the world? Write a 5 paragraph essay answering this question. Introduction, 3 bodies, and conclusion. Thesis statement. The best country in the world is Canada because it is diverse, beautiful, and safe. Here our lecture is end. Thank you.